You see AI everywhere: chatbots, image generators, smart assistants. But what most people miss is that the biggest impact of AI isn't in what it does on the surface, but in how it's fundamentally reshaping the business models of the software companies behind them. It's an invisible layer, quietly changing how value is created, distributed, and monetized. This isn't about daily news or specific tools. It's about the durable economic shifts that will define the next decade of technology. Movement 1. What the system is: the invisible AI layer. At its core, modern software is a complex system of interconnected services. For decades, this system has been optimized for human interaction and predictable, rule-based logic. Now, AI is being woven into the very fabric of this infrastructure, not just as a feature, but as a foundational capability. Think of it less like an app you download and more like a new operating system for your existing software. It's a layer of intelligence that observes, learns, and automates processes that were once manual or even impossible. This invisible AI layer is built on massive datasets, sophisticated algorithms, and immense computational power. This isn't just about large language models. It encompasses machine learning for data analysis, predictive analytics, computer vision, and more. These capabilities are accessed not through a user interface, but often through application programming interfaces, or APIs. APIs are the digital contracts that allow different software systems to talk to each other, and AI is increasingly delivered as an API service. This shift means that instead of building every AI component from scratch, companies can integrate powerful pre-trained models into their existing products. This dramatically lowers the barrier to entry for incorporating advanced AI, but it also introduces new cost structures, particularly around cloud computing and specialized hardware like GPUs. Movement 2. How the mechanism works: AI's impact on business models. So, how does this invisible AI layer actually change how software businesses make money? It primarily impacts three key areas: automation operations, personalization, and new pricing models. First, automation operations. AI can automate repetitive, knowledge-based tasks that previously required human intervention. This isn't just about factory robots. It's about automating customer support, content moderation, data entry, code generation, and even complex analytical tasks. For businesses, this translates directly into reduced operational costs and increased efficiency, allowing them to scale without proportionally increasing headcount. Next, personalization and recommendation systems. AI excels at understanding individual user behavior and preferences at scale. This allows software to deliver highly tailored experiences, whether it's a personalized feed, custom content suggestions, or adaptive learning paths. This deep personalization drives user engagement, increases retention, and ultimately reduces churn, making subscription services far stickier. This enhanced engagement directly impacts subscription business models. When a service feels indispensable and uniquely tailored, users are far less likely to cancel. AI helps move a subscription from a nice-to-have to a must-have, increasing its perceived value and justifying premium pricing tiers. Now let's talk about pricing. Historically, software was priced per seat or per feature. With AI, we're seeing a significant shift towards usage-based pricing. Think about AI models where you pay per token generated, per query executed, or per minute of processing. This aligns cost directly with value consumed, which can be highly profitable for providers, but also introduces new cost management challenges for users. This also impacts cloud costs. Running sophisticated AI models requires significant computational resources. Companies leveraging AI extensively will see a substantial portion of their operational budget dedicated to cloud infrastructure, especially for GPU instances and data storage. Managing these costs efficiently becomes a core competency. Consider the creator economy. AI tools are empowering creators to produce content faster, at higher quality, and with less effort. From AI-generated art to automated video editing, these tools lower the barrier to entry for creation. However, this also shifts the value proposition. The take rate of platforms might change as the cost of content creation decreases, potentially leading to new distribution models and revenue-sharing agreements. AI also profoundly influences distribution. Recommendation systems, powered by AI, are the primary drivers of content discovery on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Spotify. These systems determine what users see, hear, and engage with, effectively controlling the flow of information and attention. Understanding and optimizing for these algorithms is crucial for any content or software seeking an audience. Even traditional app stores are seeing AI integration, not just for recommendations, but for automated content moderation, fraud detection, and even dynamic pricing experiments. The take rate of these platforms, while seemingly fixed, can be indirectly influenced by AI's ability to optimize user acquisition and retention for the apps within their ecosystem. Movement 3. Why it matters: durable concepts and the future of software. The implications of this invisible AI layer are profound and durable. They're not fleeting trends, but fundamental shifts in how software is built, bought, and sold. One of the most critical metrics for any subscription business is churn. AI's ability to personalize experiences, predict user dissatisfaction, and automate proactive interventions is a game-changer for reducing churn. By identifying at-risk users and offering targeted solutions, AI directly impacts a company's long-term revenue stability. This also redefines competitive advantage. Companies that effectively integrate and leverage AI across their operations will gain significant efficiencies, offer superior products, and achieve better unit economics. AI becomes a strategic differentiator, creating moats that are harder for competitors to cross, not just through proprietary models, but through proprietary data and optimized operational workflows. Understanding APIs becomes even more crucial. The ability to seamlessly integrate third-party AI services or offer your own AI capabilities as a service is central to participating in this new ecosystem. The API economy is expanding, with AI models becoming a new class of digital goods. Finally, the future of software isn't just about adding AI features. It's about software becoming inherently intelligent. Every interaction, every data point, every process will be informed and optimized by AI. This means a continuous cycle of improvement, where software learns and adapts, delivering ever-increasing value to users and driving sustainable growth for businesses. This invisible AI layer is not a passing fad. It's a fundamental re-architecture of how software works and how it generates value. By understanding these underlying economic and operational shifts, you can better navigate the evolving landscape of modern technology and software businesses. The real revolution isn't just in what AI can do, but in how it's quietly rewriting the rules of the game.